In this video, I will show you how to transfer domain from Weebly to Squarespace. In order to do that, head over right here to your Weebly. And then once you have go to your Weebly, just click on this website option and click on this domains option. From in there, you can see the domain name that your Weebly website uses. Just head over and then copy this. Now, just head over again to your Squarespace and scroll down. Click on this gear icon. After you have done that, click on this domains and email. Click on this domains option and click on this use the domain I own. Enter in here the Weebly website and click on this arrow icon. Now in here, you can see if it's already in progress. So if there's a domain that's already in progress, you can cancel that one if it's not the Weebly one. So once it's been done, you can click on this use a domain again and then just enter in here the Weebly process and then just wait for this to be completed.